Another easy thing to always check, and that's your air filter. Now, air filter is located in a closet where we will have these bifold doors that are slotted. They're just vented out, so that way it allows the proper airflow to be sucked into the unit. So when we open this door, now we have your systems here. All right, so our next step now is going to be removing the air filter and putting in the new air filter. But before I say that, a couple of things. First, we have air filters at our office. Simply, all you have to do is you could either put a service request in, and we would be more than happy to come over and drop it off at your door. Or you can stop by the office, or actually contact the office, and they'll make arrangements to get one to you. But remember, we do have them. They are free to you, okay? All right, now moving on. So right here is your air handler. At the bottom of the air handler, in this particular unit, it's got the door for the air filter with these two black tabs on each end. You simply slide the tabs inward, door just pops right off. Now, the other important thing too is to always make sure that the air handler is not running at the time, because if it is running, there's a suction that's created through here, and that will make it more difficult to removing the air filter and installing the new air filter. So want to make sure that that's not running. So now we simply just take the air filter, slide it out, take the new air filter, and we slide it in. Easy. Now, take the cover, put the cover back into its position. Now you slide the tabs out towards the wall. Voila, filter changed. Close our door, make sure there's nothing blocking it in there, because that also restricts the airflow, which is very important. So, we've covered the thermostat. We've covered how to change the air filter. Again, here at the Links and with Venterra, we care for our residents, we care about you, and we're here for you. So simply, if there's something that you need, contact the office, leave us a message, and someone will get back to you. This is going to conclude this little small video. I hope you find it helpful.